All right, everyone, looking at Arcblock really quick here. So we've been pointing this out over the last couple of updates on Arcblock. You can clearly see after this very strong move up, looking on the 3-day candle chart to begin with here, we have a clear symmetrical triangle forming here, bullish pendant, whatever you want to call this pattern here. It is very bullish in my opinion. So it looks like to me, looking back here on the weekly chart where we've been watching Arcblock, we know that from this high here to the low, we ended up breaking over that high with this candle here. And then you can see all these weeks we just set here at that support at about 19-20 cents here. And then this thing just decided to go to the moon here. And once again, it is very bullish, as we can see with the stock RSI, with the price, with the Heikinashi candles here, printing green with no shadow. Here on the smaller time frames, they are still printing green, as you can see, indecisive on the daily chart here, but that is to be expected inside of that bullish consolidation, inside that pattern there. So in my opinion, she's about to blast off here. The moment this thing breaks out of this triangle pattern that we can see clearly on the, let me go back to the regular candles, we can see clearly on these smaller time frames here. But just looking at the macro picture for Arcblock, you can see that once this pattern breaks out and the bullish momentum kicks back in, you can see that once you break over the 2618 here at $1.20, this thing's going to start flying once again. She's going to be extremely bullish at that point over $1.20. So from where we are right now, if this plays out as expected, you can see a 213% move up to about 370 should be your next resistance point here. And of course, you know, if we're going to break down below the pattern here and not be bullish anymore, then of course our first green box here is the price to hold. And you can see it's about a 29% drop down to about 82 to around 75 cents here. And as long as you stay above that, you are still technically, even though you drop about 30%, you are still technically extremely bullish on Arcblock. So if we do not blast out of here from this pattern, we're probably going to come down here and consolidate for a while and then go back up at some point in the future. But as long as this pattern holds and we break to the upside, we break over 120, to the moon she is going to go once again. So good luck, not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.